As a multi-platform service provider, we face ongoing challenge of having the right software and protocol interface, especially during on-road calls. We may get on a road call and have limited knowledge about the customer's vehicle until we're physically connected. We conducted the initial testing and evaluation of Jaltest, and the product was very easy to use, and at that time was the first bi-directional multi-platform, multi-module program we had ever used. I believe Jaltest is a tool that would fit very well in the NationaLease network due to the wide variety of equipment each member has. With over 1,000 members, we can have any brand of equipment from major manufacturers to down to even specialized vehicles. Jaltest would be perfect.
When I get a call on the road, ordinarily it's not just that one call. It's one and then another, sometimes all day long. I just bring the one laptop and it covers everything.
Our return on investment while purchasing the Jaltest units is huge. I purchase all the software license each year in excess of $50,000 to $60,000 minimum just for licensing, where Jaltest in one platform cuts that more than in half.
Driving success to repair networks coast to coast.